Our Tony in the Trenches comes to us from Cheryl in Louisville, who asks the following. Tony, I'm 55 and my husband is 57, and while we do not plan on retiring anytime soon, we realize after watching your show that we do not have a plan. I feel like we're starting from scratch. How do you assist someone like us who has no clue what we are doing, and what can we expect during our first meeting?
This is an excellent question, and although we're talking about ages of 55 to 57, the majority of our clients are closer to 60 and above. However, this does not keep us from trying to assist someone at this age range who may be still a few years away from retirement. Now, the key word here, I love how she put this, starting from scratch. So you might be sitting there thinking, well, I got a large 401k, I just got an inheritance. What do you mean starting from scratch? I think what she's referring to is the fact that many people that come to us, the problem is they do not have a game plan. So they watch this show or they listen to me on the radio and they hear this talk about a game plan. And yeah, they might have a 401k, they might have brokerage statements, they may have annuities, life insurance, but none of it's coordinated. They don't know when to spend the money. They don't understand the taxes down the road. They realize they just don't have a plan. So if that's you right now, if you're retired, retiring soon, or maybe in this age range, and you really want to meet with somebody, this is where we start. We call this the WorryFree Retirement Starter Kit. Now, this can be downloaded by going to TonyWalkerFinancial.com. It's right there on the home page, or we can mail this to you. But this is the first step. So first of all, the starter kit asks for all of your individual information, your personal information. This is where we learn about you, your family, any personal needs for you, children, grandchildren. Again, I would be meeting with you in person to go through this. The second step is, along with that starter kit, included in there is a very important sheet of paper called the Documents Checklist. So we ask people to come in at that first appointment with me. It takes about 30 minutes. That we're going to go through everything. We're going to look at your Social Security statements or help you get those if you don't have them. I want to see a most recent tax return. People say, why do you want to see the taxes? Well, folks, if you're wanting to have a plan to save on taxes, I got to know where you are tax-wise. We want to see all the full brokerage statements, 401k statements, all of those things we look at. Again, it's like going to a physician and making sure that all the information is accurate. Now, once I have all that information, we move to our assessment, and that'll be our second appointment, where then we will meet and you'll get to see our wonderful proprietary software. Nothing like it in the industry, folks. This is not a retirement calculator software. You can get those anywhere. This is the plan we're going to use moving forward to help you navigate your future and to make financial decisions that are going to come up, changes that will surely come your way. So if you're looking at all this and say, yeah, I'd like to start from scratch too and get a plan and meet with somebody that knows what the heck they're doing, why don't you do the right now? Just take advantage of something we call the free 10-minute fiduciary phone call. To arrange a phone call with me, you can either log on to TonyWalkerFinancial.com or give us a call anytime at 877-499-9255. Remember, there's no cost or obligation for us to visit about your situation.
Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed that video. If you'd like, check out these other clips. And be sure to hit that like button and that subscribe button for more videos.